India's state-run energy company Gas Authority of India Limited is planning to reduce natural gas supplies to select customers after nearly 30% of the country's imported LNG shipments were blocked due to the ongoing conflict in West Asia. The disruption comes after Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps warned vessels against transiting the Strait of Hormuz, a key global energy corridor. Following the warning, major insurers either withdrew or significantly increased war risk insurance coverage, prompting several shipping companies to suspend tanker movements through the route. A large portion of India's liquefied natural gas imports from Qatar and the United Arab Emirates passes through the Strait of Hormuz, making the route crucial for the country's energy supply. According to GAIL, its LNG supplier has issued a force majeure notice stating difficulties faced by certain LNG vessels due to maritime navigation restrictions linked to the Strait of Hormuz. As a result, the LNG allocation to GAIL under the contract has been reduced to zero from March 4th. A senior official from the oil ministry said that nearly 60 million standard cubic meters per day of gas supply has been disrupted due to the blockage. India's total gas consumption stands at around 195 million standard cubic meters per day of gas supply, which is used for electricity generation, fertilizer production, CNG for vehicles, fire household kitchens, and serves as feedstock for various industries. The situation could force authorities to reprioritize gas distribution, potentially leading to supply cuts for certain users while ensuring essential sectors continue to receive fuel. At the same time, efforts are underway to secure alternative sources of gas to bridge the supply gap. More than half of India's LNG imports pass through the Strait of Hormuz, leaving the country vulnerable to supply disruptions and price fluctuation whenever tensions escalate in the region.